next stop on our road trip through America. So we've left Gatlinburg in Tennessee and now we're in Virginia, staying with some of my family up here near Roanoke and Salem area. And we're at Stiles Falls right now. We're at this cute little park thingy. There's like some old people having lunch over there. There's a pool that may or not be usable. A little park with a boat thing. Yeah, but this is just like 40 minutes from Roanoke, and we're gonna try to find some stuff to do around the city today, so let's go. If you try to come up here, you're gonna walk the plank. Arg. Arg. Spooky house. Virginia Historic Landmark. That one right there, I'm guessing. Just read about yesterday how some lady died in Yosemite from a falling limb from a tree. And there are some other things to do here too. First thing we've noticed since being here is the temperature difference, and it's good, because even in Tennessee up in the mountains it was probably like 95 to maybe the lowest it got was like 85, but today it's like 70 degrees, which is perfect.
It feels so good up here.
Yeah, it feels great. Yeah,
perfect.
Yeah, for real. I mean, you could almost even wear a jacket and still be feeling comfortable. But poor moth. I think it's beautiful. It's probably not super cold though.
Yeah, the trail is so well maintained and it's pretty easy so far. We'll see the rest. We just walk tiny bit,
but it's beautiful too. The scenery here is really unique and good. Honestly, with how the weather is too, it's kind of, oh my god, look. Oh yeah, my eye is messed up too. So if it looks bad now that I see it. If anyone sees that and notices, there's something wrong with my eyes, so it's all jacked up. Oh yeah, here, the closest place I think it can remind me to maybe is Japan. Where was that? Wakayama. Kind of walking there, the mountains look similar to that right here, so. But other than that, it's pretty unique, the type of trees and stuff, it's just, yeah. It's almost like a jungle-y, but not at the same time jungle. I don't know, it's cool.
It's raining a little too.
Yeah, but we honestly lucked out with the rain because that means it's not hot. If if it was the sun was out right now, it probably would still be really hot. So
what is that?
Let's go see. It probably just leads down to this creek over here. They got a little bench so you can sit by the water at the creek. Yeah. Yeah, look, it looks cool up there too. Does it smell good? It should.
I don't know. It smells good.
Smell it a little bit. Yeah, they're not that strong smelling actually. Just a tiny bit of Christmassiness. That would be so cool. We're gonna have to come back here in the winter to see it when it's frozen like that, because I've never seen a frozen waterfall. I'm trying to see some frozen waterfalls. That looks dope.
What does this mean?
It's just showing how high up you're going as you're walking to the falls, so we're getting higher and higher up. Yeah, it's like dodge the lava. I'm good at dodging the lava though. The whole time you're coming up here, you're just walking past these like crazy rock slides. Look at that cute dog. I'm still struggling to find somewhere to compare it to. The closest thing I think is just Japan, the mountainous regions of Japan, because there's not many places you can see stuff like that, man. See, you're just coming up on them one after the next. What's the verdict?
Verdict? It's good. I like it. It's not that hard.
Yeah, someone said this was an intermediate trail. I would call it easy.
For now.
For now, at least, yeah. About coming up here, if you're allergic to like poison ivy or sumac or oak, you gotta be careful. Like since we've been here, I've already got it once on my leg and I'm like super allergic to it. I just barely touch it and I get it, so I have to like not touch anything here. It's great. Love it. Yeah, and so here comes the climbing part, I guess, because now we're getting up on like stairs and up there, more up incline. Yeah, so you do have some water crossings. It's getting steeper, but it's not that hard. We've done way worse than that. And then it evens out up here. Alright, so she said we've seen it, but yeah, look, that tree is super cool. It's like, looks very, very old. But that last part back there was just like walking over rocks. So yeah, the first part's super easy. But this part is not that bad, honestly. It's the temperature helps. If it was super hot and humid, oh yeah, it looks good. Oh, it's big too, bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So now we just have to figure out how to get up there because we're still down here. We're gonna try to take this sneaky way up, I think. Yeah, that's it for Styles. We're just making a quick stop because we only have a short amount of time here in Virginia. But I mean, this place is great. Like honestly, I'm ranking it up there. It's not top, like I'd say it's in the top 5 of my favorite waterfall hikes I've ever done. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's up there. So yeah.
And it's not that hard. I mean, it's hard, but it's not the worst of them.
Yeah, it's pretty easy, really. I mean, it's right up our alley on the amount of difficulty we want. We don't want to be like dead, but just like slight difficulty. So yeah, that's good. But yeah, we're leaving here. We're gonna go check out downtown Salem, I think. So yep.
Look, right here is like a gate.
Yeah, this spot reminds me of Skyrim.
Skyrim again.
For real, it does. All the moss on all the rocks. That's how it looks in Skyrim.
And look, this waterfall.
Yeah, it's so beautiful here. I love it. For real, I'm gonna rank it top, up in the maybe 4th. It's like Erewhon is number 1 for sure, and then there's some other waterfalls there, and then Japan, and then here. Boom. There you go, Virginia. You did it. Thinks I'm videoing him now too. Oh, sorry person, just videoing the road. This is got our coffee from Mill Mountain Coffee. Okay, so yeah, now we're in downtown Salem. It's like the old town looking here. We actually just stumbled upon this the other day when we were driving, and we knew we had to come back here because it looked really cool. And you can just walk up this whole street, and there's like restaurants, and then there's like a bakery over there and stuff, and it all just looks really pretty too, you know, just the old architecture and stuff. It also says there's a farmer's market over there. We have no idea about the hours or when that's open though. But yeah, this was like $6, and like $2.50. So not terrible price, but they're really good tasting. So yeah, mine is iced mocha, of course, because what else would I get, obviously. And this is like a strawberry shortcake latte.
Mine's better, I think.
I mean, I like yours better, but I needed caffeine.
Coffee?
Does yours have caffeine? It's coffee too, is it? I don't know. But I always like my business.
Your cousins?
Okay.
Trevor saw a cat.
Oh god. He obviously doesn't want to be friends. Went to Mikado's, which is just on the old town here, and the prices here are actually really fair. So you can get 12 wings for $9. Look at that, 12 wings for $9. And then we got fried pickle spears and a sandwich and a house salad. So all for affordable.
I looked at wings, but I didn't see that.
Yeah, I know. So she messed up. Oops. Oopsies. All right, this is something new. We got fried pickle spear.
Ah, it's hot. That's so gross, babe.
Okay. It is burning hot.
Do it again. He has a bad time eating pickle.
That did not work. It's good, but it's too hot. I cannot right now. We need to wait. Okay. Let's see if I can eat this. It's like roast beef and coleslaw and stuff. Or barbecue and meaty and good. This is like their own made up potato salad. It's oniony and creamy. It's good, and garlicky. It reminds me of the one we had in Alabama. You know, it's really good. Excellent. $12 too for this. That's the deal. So we're done eating, but that place is really good, and the price was like so good. It was, for everything we got, it was $30.66. And for reference, I spent $25 at Chick-fil-A this morning on a chicken, like a 12-piece combo, and then just the 12-piece, just the nuggets. So that was a lot of food for $30. So yeah. One thing we've noticed since we've been here is that all the license plates here are from Virginia, and then we've seen a couple West Virginia, and then one South Carolina. So
Florida.
yeah, and 2 Florida. That was way back there though. But so there's obviously like no tourism here, But honestly, I think this is a pretty cool place. Like just Roanoke County or Salem, wherever we are, is nice. I like it here. I would vacation here personally. And then there's lots of nature around here, like what we did this morning, and there's tons more. But we only have like one day really to do stuff here. But we are definitely going to come back here again. That is for sure. We're going to come back here and explore more.
Look, this is the college.
Yeah, and we're at the tiny little college right now. It's established in 1842. We're just gonna go take a little peek-see. And then the view too from like the mountains up here is really nice as well. You can see the mountains over there too. Settings. There's no one here though. It's dead.
What day is it today? No, it's Saturday.
Oh yeah, it's Saturday. That's right. Yeah, maybe there's some life in it during the weekdays. It's cool looking though. Yeah. It's old. Yeah, it said it was built in 1842. So there are definitely some historic looking buildings.
Like tiny teeny college.
Yeah, it's cool though. I like it. That's the end of the Virginia video. I had a really good time here. Wish we had more time. There's a lot more to see. We didn't even get to go explore Roanoke.
Yeah, there's like more park and stuff that we still can go, but we don't have time.
Yeah, we didn't have enough time.
The schedule is a little tight.
Too tight, yeah. So in our next video, we're gonna just be in Asheville. It's like a short video. We were just visiting some friends. So yeah, just make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.